Hi guys, this is Subhash here, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today I'm heading towards Gujarat in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's Statue of Unity from my home. Now I'm Belgaum city here at this moment. I started riding 7:45 in the morning. It's 10:30 now. I'm in the Belgaum city. It's around 1000 kilometers from my home, one way side. Let's see how it goes, and I'll see how much can I run today. That's my bike. Even I made some seat modification in that bike because I put some sponge in that because it's very hard to sit too long on that. That's why. So I'm heading towards now. I'll show you on the way where I stop, how it goes now. Okay, then if you like my video guys, do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. I'll be doing like these videos in future. Okay, come on, let's go now. Okay, this is the seat. I put 2 inches sponge in that so I can relax. Okay, let's go. Alright friends, I just crossed Kolhapur and I'm almost in Karad now. It's 10 kilometers something from here. Almost 250 kilometers I have done till now. It's around 1 o'clock. Let's see how long we can ride from here. I'm a solo rider. I'm just alone here. Bike is performing very good. Bike is very good condition. I just made yesterday full service of that, so I can take out for long ride today. So Statue of Unity, it was my dream before. When they built it, I thought I will ride there one day, but my bike was old that time, so I was waiting for new bike. Now I got a chance to ride there, so of course I will ride there. Let's see how long it takes from here to there. 750 kilometers something from here, from this point now. Okay, let's go. Yeah friends, this is Satara here. You see this? I have to stop because one of my light clamp has broken here, and that was starting shaking, so I cut the wire and removed it. This one is from here, and other big one is there. The one small is here. I'll have to fit this when I get back home. Okay, this is Satara here. About 200 or something, 150 I guess, Pune. Okay then. Alright guys, welcome to Pune guys. This is Pune here, and it's 4 o'clock in the evening now. It took me around 8 hours exactly. I started around 8 o'clock in the morning. I ride it in the speed of 85 to 90. In only few places I have stopped. I'll take the diversion there. That road takes me to the Nasik. I'll go from Nasik here, this side. Okay, and you see this here. Okay. Alright guys, let's go. Alright friends, this side is the Pune city. I'm out on this Nasik express highway here. This side is the Nasik. Around 180 kilometers Google shows, according to Google here. Okay, from here almost 490 kilometer extra more I have to ride from here this way. After Nasik, more 350 kilometers something I have to ride more. Let's see how long I can ride tonight. Let me see that, so that early in the morning I would be there straight away. Let's see how much I can ride tonight. I just stopped here. I have a cup of tea. Pune is a very big city here. It's 5 o'clock in the evening now. Almost 500 kilometers I have ridden till now, and more 490 something according to the Google. They say here. Okay, let's go. Alright, friends. I am here somewhere near Nasik now. Nasik is 50 kilometers away from here, this side now. Bike is good. I'll show you the odometer now. How much it runs total. See here. Exactly 600 kilometers from my home. And it's 8 o'clock now. So I'll be at 9 o'clock in the Nasik city, and I'll have to stay there somewhere, because on this road there are potholes in between. So I have to take care of that. I don't want to bang my bike there inside, so I'll stop riding in the Nasik, and tomorrow morning around 350 kilometers I'll have to ride tomorrow. Let's see. What about the weather here? So weather is very cold now. It's cold air compared to our Goa. It's very cold air here. So feeling very cold here to ride bike. So okay, I'll see the room there. Let's see what happens. Yeah, friends, finally I found a room here. I already crossed Nasik city. I'm on Gujarat road here. That's the road, Gujarat road here. I ride almost 30-40 kilometers from Nasik now. Because I asked for the room, people say that $1,000 for one person. They say it's really too much. I think even we are bikers, we know in every city how much the rate is, but here is something different. Now what I see, now I found this place here behind me, Raj Yog restaurant, and they have room also behind me. He was also telling me that $1,000. Then I told him that we are not a tourist, we are just a vlogger here. Then he asked me to pay just 600 and you can have dinner also here. He said like that. Okay, I'll show you the room now. Let's go inside. I parked my bike behind there, and this is I'll show you the room inside. Okay, this is my dinner here. Alright, friends, this is the room here. He charged me $600 for this. A dinner of 100 rupees. Nice dinner they gave me. I got stomach full of that. No need for extra anything. That's the one good thing here. You will have extra on that. You don't have to ask for anything more. Okay then, guys. See you in the morning. I ride from my home till 10 hours now. Almost 60 something I ride it till now. I have more than 300, I guess 320 something I have to ride. Let's see how I'm going to reach there. According to Google, very road rough this side. This is border. After 1 hour we have to cross border. Okay then, if you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. Next part, watch my coming videos on the Statue of Unity. It's 10:30 now. I have to take some rest now. Let's see what time I can wake up. Then we'll leave. Okay then. See you.